For one-way ANOVA, okay, first again need to state the hypothesis, which is comparing means, and then the one-way ANOVA, run the one-way ANOVA using SPSS, and then interpret the results. Okay, F, okay, put the value that you got, the DF between value here and the DF within value here, and here is for the F. F is equal to what? And then P is equal to what? Okay, insert the value here. Okay, and then interpret the effect size based on the eta squared point estimate. Okay, so and then compare with this indicator. If there is a significant difference between the means, need to run the post hoc test with Bonferroni adjustment. Okay, and then interpret the post hoc test results. Okay, for the Kruskal-Wallis, again, it's not about comparing means. Okay, first we need to state the hypothesis and then run the Kruskal-Wallis test using SPSS or any statistical tool and then interpret the results. Okay, so chi-square DF. Okay, this is the DF value. Okay, insert the DF value here and insert the chi-square value here and then insert the significant value here. Okay, interpret the effect size eta squared for H. Okay, so this is the calculation. Okay, and then when you get the result, compare with this indicator. If there is a significant difference, need to run the post hoc test with Bonferroni adjustment using Mann-Whitney-U test and then interpret the post hoc test results. Okay, so that's all. All the best.